Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Epiphone Les Paul. I believe this is made in Korea in the late 90s. Actually quite nice to play. It's only that it has some issues here and there. So apart from just the setup work, two of the ports are frozen. I managed to break it free a bit. Still crackling, but it's okay. Apart from that, the output jack is missing, so I replaced that together with the plate. Yeah, some deep cleaning. Other than that, the toggle switch and the grounding also has some issues. As you see along the way, actually I just fixed up a lot of the underlying issues that is present in the guitar. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. It's quite long, but it's quite extensive. Take care, bye. Okay, bro. This is a quick check. I clean up a bit, change the output jack. Then, like I mentioned before, I will clean up and restring. Then we can see what's to be done next. So there's a few issues. Number one is that the post for these two guys is actually frozen already. Meaning I cannot adjust going up or down. That one is one thing. Second thing is for electronics, the switch is faulty. So on the bridge side, you can hear the sound. Then for the rhythm, there's very faint sound. So there's not a lot of signal going through. For the ports, I managed to break it open, meaning it's still crackling, but it's open right now. Okay, but problem is it doesn't the signal is not fully open. So I'm gonna test, then I will explain to you the other issue. Okay, so this is for the bridge pickup. Sounds okay. Middle pickup, okay, but for the rhythm, no signal. Okay, then for your grounding wire, this one also no grounding. So typically this grounding wire was supposed to be attached to this post, so that one don't have. Then for the signal, for the rhythm pickup, I would need to troubleshoot whether it's the switch or not. So I'm going to switch out the switch first, see whether there's a signal. If there's a signal, then we stop there because all is working. For the grounding, if you want, I would take out this post and reinstall the grounding for you. If let's say the switch is not the issue and it's the pickup, you might need to change the pickup. Then there is also a possibility that the port itself is also the issue. So you might want to consider changing the port itself. So step number one, what I would do is I would change this first. I just want to check and see whether this is the main culprit. So we do that first. If this one is not the issue, then you might want to change the electronics, either the pickups or the whole wiring harness. So yeah, I will give you the price breakdown, then you can consider. Other than that, the guitar sounds okay. I want to clear a bit more of the notes here, but because I cannot adjust the post, then there's a lot, there's not much I can do for the adjustment at the bridge. Okay, so this is the clearance test. Let's just have a listen and see whether it's okay. Okay, so I give you the background, then you can consider the next step. Bye. Okay, so I change the toggle just to try lah. If you don't want to do also no problem, because I just want to troubleshoot also. So the toggle switch I changed already. Later you will see there's an improvement in volume also. Okay, so this is the bridge pickup. Okay, then this is the rhythm. Working. So we already know that the toggle is main problem, so yeah, changed out already. Let me know if I can proceed with this. If not, I will change back to the old one. Then the other one is of course the grounding. Yeah, if you can hear just now, a lot of humming and buzzing. So if I touch the metal parts, actually it was supposed to quieten down, but when I touch here, it doesn't quieten down. So there's no ground actually. There's no ground actually coming from the electronics to the bridge itself. So yeah, you need to do that next if you want to get it done lah. Other than that, once that is done, the guitar is actually good to go. So can update me, yeah? Bye. Okay boys, guitar is ready. Toggle switch change. This is Hasco 3-way switch. Then after that, I free up the ports. The ports can turn, but it's a bit crackling. Hear that? Okay. So I clean up already. But I cannot clean up as much as it can lah. So if later on you want to change the electronics, you can do so, but I suggest you change the whole electronics. This one we change already. Output jack also we change already, so you can just consider changing the 4 ports maybe later on. Pickups are okay. Volume is fine. So it's around 8K, 8.5 and 8 ohms. Then strings is 942 knee ball. Then I clean up a bit of deep cleaning, but yeah, so I do just standard setup for this. Okay, alright, this is the test. Hear that it's buzzing, it's because possibly it's the pickup or is the port itself. So if let's say I shut off this tone, it will clean up a bit of the tone. Okay, so you can roll off to half if you find it a bit annoying but you still want to manage it. So turn off a bit of the tone knob and you will clean up a bit more of your sound. Other than that, guitar is okay. Let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want to share, you can share as well. If you want to contact me for any of the guitar work, 84189951. Drop me a WhatsApp. I hope to see you soon. Bye.